Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to open your cPanel in HostGator. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my HostGator course within my university for free. Inside this HostGator course, you will learn things like how to get started with your HostGator shared hosting, how to manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your website performance in HostGator. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. There are two ways to open cPanel inside HostGator. The first method or the first way is to go from hosting and scroll down, and under quick links click on cPanel. The second method is from websites. Click on settings under your website and go to advanced. Scroll down and under cPanel click on manage. That was all for this video. If you learned something out of it, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.